welcome back. I'm Lottie and Silvis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to check out my videos. If you love doing stuff online, I can help you. I love this website though, and I want to share it with you. You can create amazing ebooks here, reports in 5 minutes without typing anything. This AI technology now today, this is a new technology that is here for you, that can do the work for you, and you're gonna love this software. And right now it's 50% off. I'm promoting this amazing ebook creator, no monthly charge ever. This is yours to keep. There's tools and upsells if you want to upgrade, and there's softwares that can help you promote your ebooks. There is one called Submitter, where you can submit your ebooks all over the world. There's a tool that you have to upgrade to get that. And what's amazing about this product is I have this product that's part of it is called Talkable, and you can create audio ebooks instant. And this is a great deal. I love it, you know. And once you upgrade and buy the product, the tools that are added to this amazing Scribble, you can do anything. You know, it's up to you how much effort you put in this. You can be successful. All right, so right now it's 50% off. Coupon Butterfly, easy to use. There's 15 niche categories. Audio content writer. It actually automates. If you don't know how to write, it automates content for you. There's you get commercial license, agency website. You can sell it to clients. You can create ebooks for businesses, and unlimited pages, 300 style layouts, 50 hot templates, and more. You can upgrade. Scribble is the #1 ebook create studio. This special will end. It's 50% off. Stunning designs, 60-second creation, instant content, commercial license, agency website. You know, you want to watch the video, you can watch the video here. Don't waste your time. Don't hire anybody. Do it yourself. This is on sale. Regular price is actually $197, but today's $67. But you take 50% off, so you'll get it for $35. I think $35 just to get the basic. And these are some of the designs that they have. You should check it out and get it now because it's stunning. I mean, this, you can create flip books, you can do anything with this, and there is no monthly charge or monthly fees. So I hope you guys check this out. Click on the link below, get yours today, and I will see you on the other side. Bye.